working on today. Get these big brakes over here too. The hood foreign exchange. Get with me. This is all we're gonna need for real. That's a 17. Torx 55. We're gonna use that as a punch to get the pins out. Alright. I used the turkey baster. Sucked out the brake fluid. Put a little towel down there, feel me? Just in case. Drippage. Just in case. So we had to bust that motherfucker 30 out. T30. We got this. I'm gonna wrap that around there so it don't fall off, but it's so light. We got that one. Wrap this around here. Hold this thing. Voila. I'm about to hit it because we got the deluxe package.
The deluxe.
Get right that bad boy stuck on that. We hit him with the blaster. Like around the hose. I'm up in here. It's soaked through. So good. So good. And I hit him with the wear brush. Hit him with some brake cleaner. Hit him with the NACs. Oh. I'm about to use this bad boy to compress them. Boom. T30. Right there. I'm gonna use a 15 right here. One at the top, one at the bottom. You see it in the middle of the screen, it's at the bottom. That's gonna pull this whole caliper off. And we're gonna use 7. Pop these off. Cat screwdriver. And then big screwdriver, pop him off. But first we're about to hit him with the wheel. Deluxe. How you got to ratchet this? It's gonna open up. You gotta open your brake reservoir though. Take some out with a turkey baster. You know what I'm saying? Just set it aside. About to the bottom now. Yeah. Alright, I forgot to tell y'all about greasing it, you feel me? Put the brake grease on that. So it don't be squeaky. Put it on like the contact points. Right here. Something about it. Then on the inside where the piston push out. They're on the same spots. And then these pins, we gotta put some work. Cause it push on them, it ride on them. Spread that out. A little bit goes a long way. Alright. They almost together though. You see him though, that's no money, that's what we call it where I'm from. Like back outside. Another 50,000 miles. Something nice. Depending on how you hit them corners. Me, we ain't gonna talk about it. Forget about this wire back here. Just slide on there. See these little grooves. Put it on. Alright, boom. See. So embarrassing. Isn't that amazing? So amazed. Now we gotta put that hooker on. If it was down. Always don't forget. Your caps. Keep the dust out so it don't get rusty. They're gonna be stuck on there. It's a bad day. I can't show y'all this. You know what I'm saying? It gets easy. Sometimes it's easy and sometimes it's not. So, good luck. Good luck with this. Now, if I can do this with one hand, I am the master brake craftsman that you never saw in real life. But it's impossible to see. Alright, I'm not super strong. Almost had that. See, I was too strong. Yeah, I know. Did I just do that? I don't believe it. Take this in. I am the super master. Super master. You never saw it for free. Well, you saw it for free, but not, in person. It's on there. One hand. You can do it.